this video, I'm going to show you how to make these really pretty, yet really simple to make flower wall hangings using all items from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned and I will show you how to put them together. Alright y'all, let's get started. First off, of course, you're going to need some artificial flowers. I like purple. Purple is my absolute favorite color. So I got these marked iris. I wanted orchids, but they didn't have any. So I got 3 bundles of these. You're also going to need some of these glass vases. Now for this project, I found that this shape works the best. They have a lot of different shapes and a lot of different colors, but I just got 2 of these to use for this. You're also going to need a 3.5 by 5 inch photo frame. Of course, all this is from the Dollar Tree, so I'm not going to repeat that. I got 2 of them because I have 2 vases. You're also going to need some of this floral wire. I got 2 packs, and I'm reasonably certain that I'm not going to need both of them because there is 6 feet of wire in this little package. And because this is wire, you're going to need something to cut the wire with. I have my trusty wire cutters here. You're going to need some sort of adhesive. You can use E6000 if you like. Me, I use my high temp glue gun with Gorilla brand glue sticks because I find that they really adhere to glass. They really work well for anything that I've ever done. So if you want to use hot glue, I suggest that brand. You're also going to need a piece of, really glittery paper. You can use any type of paper you want. It's just to be used as a background in these frames, okay? And my Dollar Tree does carry this paper. They were out. So I just ripped out a piece from my glitzy glitter cardstock stack here. I think I got this at Joann's. I don't know, I went on like a massive buying spree the other day buying up a bunch of cardstock. It was from Joann's or Michael's. It was from one of those stores. If your Dollar Tree does not carry this paper, and if you don't want to buy the big huge pack of the cardstock, Joann's, Michael's, even Hobby Lobby, they sell these by the sheet for like 79 cents to like $1.50 each. So you can just go buy 1 or 2 sheets. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Alright, I believe that is all that we need. So let us go ahead and get started. So all I did basically with the frame is I removed the back. I then laid it down on a piece of my glittery cardstock and used my awesome, the Southern Girl Can ink pen and traced around it, and I cut it out, and then I placed it inside the frame like this. Okay, now on the back, you see these little things. You can leave this on if you want to. Like if you're going to be, like setting this on a desk, which would be a really awesome idea too, you just leave this on. But for me, I'm going to hang mine on the wall. And this makes the frame wobble if it's hanging on the wall. So I took mine off. And the next one I did is I took my bottle and just a bit of this wire. It bends really, really easily. I mean, this is not a hard wire to bend. Just take it and just wrap it around the neck of your bottle a few times. You just hold it down with your finger and just wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, just until you have enough on there, as much as you like. Let's see, I'm going to keep wrapping here. I know I'm not going to use this whole entire spool. Like I said, there's like 6 feet of wire on here. I know I'm not going to use that. Maybe I will. I don't know yet. So we're just going to wrap this a few times. You're getting in my way. Just wrap it, wrap it. Does that look okay? Y'all like that? Is that enough? I don't know. Let's do it again. A few more times. Is that enough? Alright, let's get back around to the other side. And I'm going to trim it. These came from Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot, one of those stores, but the Dollar Tree does sell wire cutters, so if you have to get some just for this project, you can. Alright, so I put that there, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot glue. Like I said, you can use E6000 if you like. If you're using E6000 and you put your vase down, just to stop it from rolling around, you need to take something to put on each side, maybe like, wad up a Kleenex, or, just wedge something in there so it doesn't roll around. Now what I'm going to do with this is, see if I can get this where y'all can see it without the lights reflecting in it too badly. I'm just going to put a blob here, and a blob here. Set my gun down here so I don't burn myself. And then I'm just going to stick my vase down. I'm going to aim to get it centered. I think this is centered. I don't know. There we go, and just hold it Of course, you want to remove the price stickers on here. Yeah, I'll do that once the glue sets up. Yeah, that's basically all that you do. Just let that glue set up. Just making sure that it's there. Yep. Then let that glue set up just like that. Hang it on your wall and put your flowers in it. Alright, so I'm going to do the other one, and then I will let the glue firm up. Now I'll put the flowers in, I'll come back and let y'all see what it looks like. Alright y'all, here they are, all finished. Of course y'all saw these at the beginning of the video, but I like them, so I wanted to show you again anyway. So I hope you like them as well. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button up there. Please visit me on all forms of social media. I will put the links to all of that in the description box down below, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.